This degreaser I've got is really, really great. Yeah, the squirter works. I just got that squirter at Home Depot just a few minutes ago.
Hi, welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day.
We just spray this stuff on there really good. I rode motorcycle all winter long back and forth to work every day. And I never cleaned it, not once. So that's why this is so terrible, terrible, terrible dirty. Alright, we'll take a look and see what that does for us. This is not a how-to clean a motorcycle. It just show you what good this degreaser is. Put a little bit more up in there. Boy, that came out nice. I usually just put in degreaser almost everywhere. Looks a whole lot better than it did just a few minutes ago. That degreaser really works good. Here's a picture of it right here. You can get it at most any auto parts store. Seems to me like it was under $10. Please subscribe, hit the bell to get notified every time I post a new video.